Good morning, Emma. It's great to meet you. Thanks for coming in today.
Good morning, Chris. Thank you for having me.
Let's start with a brief introduction. Can you tell me a bit about your background and why you're interested in this role?
Absolutely. I recently graduated with a degree in computer science. While I don't have any professional experience yet, I've completed several personal projects and internships that have given me a solid foundation in software development. I'm very passionate about learning and eager to apply my skills in a professional setting. I'm particularly interested in this role because it offers an opportunity to work on innovative projects and learn from experienced professionals like yourself.
That's a great attitude to have. Can you tell me about one of the personal projects you've worked on?
Sure. One of my favorite projects was developing a personal finance management app. The app helps users track their expenses, set budgets, and visualize their spending habits with charts and the graphs. I built it using Python for the back end and React for the front end. This project helped me learn a lot about full-stack development, user experience design, and integrating different technologies. It was challenging, but also very rewarding.
That sounds like a useful project. How did you handle any challenges you faced during the development of this app?
One of the biggest challenges was implementing secure user authentication and data encryption to ensure user privacy. I spent a lot of time researching best practices for security in web applications. I used libraries like JWT for authentication and HTTPs for secure data transmission. When I encountered issues, I turned to online forums, documentation, and sometimes even reached out to mentors from my university. Persistence and a willingness to seek help when needed were key to overcoming these challenges.
It's good to see that you're proactive in finding solutions. How do you stay updated with the latest developments in technology and software engineering?
I stay updated by regularly reading tech blogs, following industry leaders on social media, and participating in online courses and webinars. I'm an active member of several coding communities on platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow, where I learn a lot from other developers' experiences and contributions. Additionally, I enjoy attending local meetups and hackathons, which provide great opportunities to network and learn about new technologies and trends.
That's excellent. How do you handle working in a team environment, especially given your limited professional experience?
I believe effective communication and collaboration are essential in a team environment. In my university projects and internships, I made it a point to actively participate in team meetings, share my ideas, and listen to others' perspectives. I'm always open to feedback and willing to help my teammates whenever needed. I understand that teamwork is about leveraging each other's strengths and working towards a common goal, and I'm excited to contribute to and learn from a professional team.
Great to hear. What do you consider your strongest skills, and what areas do you feel you need to improve?
I think my strongest skills are my enthusiasm for learning, problem-solving abilities, and my foundation in programming languages like Python and JavaScript. I'm also quite good at adapting to new tools and technologies quickly. As for areas of improvement, I'd like to gain more experience with cloud computing and DevOps practices, as I've only had limited exposure to these areas during my studies. I'm also working on improving my time management skills to handle multiple tasks more efficiently.
It's good to have a clear understanding of your strengths and areas for growth. How do you plan to improve in the areas you mentioned?
I plan to improve by taking online courses and certifications related to cloud computing and DevOps. Additionally, I'm looking for opportunities to work on projects that involve these technologies, whether through internships, freelance work, or contributing to open source projects. For time management, I'm practicing techniques like prioritizing tasks, setting clear goals, and using tools like Trello and Asana to stay organized and focused.
That's a solid plan. To wrap up, what motivates you to pursue a career in software engineering, and where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I'm motivated by the endless possibilities in software engineering to create innovative solutions that can make a difference in people's lives. I love the challenge of solving complex problems and the satisfaction of seeing my work come to life. In the next 5 years, I see myself becoming a proficient software engineer, contributing to impactful projects, and continuously learning and growing in my career. Ultimately, I hope to take on a leadership role where I can mentor others and drive technical innovation within a team.
Thank you, Emma. Your enthusiasm and willingness to learn are very impressive. It was great talking with you today.
Thank you, Chris. I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to the possibility of joining your team.